This is an alternate art Leafeon V-Max. It is 1:30 in the morning. It is way past my bedtime, but I had to bring to you guys these Evolving Skies pre-release boxes. We got 3 battle boxes, each with 4 packs. Let's get into it. Right. First battle box. As I struggle with this. All right, first, let's see what we can do. These guys were really difficult to get my paws on. They're the elusive Evolving Skies boxes. Had to go to that pre-release. Make sure I'm putting that in focus there. The pre-release, midnight pre-release for these babies. Let's see, let's check out this deck that comes with it. The Articuno, Glaring Articuno. Got some fun things. Let's see, Copycat. There's Marnie there, Leon. All right, Evolution S Incense, Bruno, Professor's Research, a Fletchling, more Fletchlings, got 3 Fletchlings, Fletchinder, 2 Fletchinders, Talonflame, Quick Ball, another Incense, Zinnia's Resolve, Pokekid. I like Pokekid. I want his outfit. I want his onesie. Professor's Research, Zorua, a few of those. Oh, wow. Look at that. Zork. Cool. All right. Those guys are cool, especially this Articuno. Let's get into these packs. Let's start with my favorite building. Way the code is. There we go. What we can get. I'm super excited. I'm so tired, but I just had to stay up and get these for you guys. Let's see. We got a Lightning Energy, Avalugg, Vigoroth, a Dream Ball, Cutie Fly, Pika, Applin, Lillipup. Which is your favorite doggy, Lillipup or Rockruff? Emolga, Pumpkaboo. And then for our rare, we have a Pinsir, regular rare. He's very cool, looking like he's about to kick some butt. We're getting into Rayquaza now. Look at this guy. Wow, he is a really cool Pokemon. Although I think I like him when he's a shiny Pokemon. He's the black Rayquaza. I think he's really neat when he's like that. The green Rayquaza is pretty cool too. All right. Ooh, got a cool Sableye right there. We'll get to him in a moment. All right, a nice Fighting Energy. Skiploom. He's just doesn't have a care in the world. Our Fletchinder. Shopping center. This looks like a really fun place to shop as a girl. Sableye, Nickit, oh, Bergmite, Carvana, Emolga, Flabébé. Oh, and a Leafeon V-Max already kicking it off. Look at that. Ooh. Beautiful textured card. Very shiny. Oh, I really like this. It looks like he's doing some farm work. I guess Leafeons have to do farm work. But look at him, he's very green. So this is after opening the packs and we were able to check what we've got. And I was only expecting alternate arts from Umbreon, Espeon, and Sylveon. But come to find out, this is an alternate art Leafeon V-Max. Estimated value on eBay right now, $600 to $900. All right, next we'll bust into Sylveon here. And We are looking for that alternate art Rayquaza, alternate art Umbreon. Let's see if we can channel them. Cannot wait to see some of those. Whether it be myself online, Crystal Cave, a toy catcher, Raihan. Oh, he looks like he's tumbling down a hill. Woobat, Time Pole, Psy. Look at Psyduck, he looks so confused on the beach. Oh, Eevee, look at Eevee. Oh my goodness, with that Rayquaza up in the sky. It almost, I don't know, maybe she wants to fly. I don't know. Talonflame for the reverse. And then for our rare, we have a Flapple regular rare. Still funny though. I still like it. I still like it. All right. We got an Umbreon here. I really like the art of these cards so far. These are really fun. There's our code. I was so excited to get this. I've been trying to get this for days now, and I finally am able to bring you guys some Evolving Skies. Alright, Woobat, Eevee again, Temple, Cutiefly, Applin. For our reverse, we have a Stoutland, and then, an Entei! Oh, holographic rare. Look at him. Ooh, he is something special. Ooh, those claws though. Those claws. Make sure you guys can see the holographic part in the back. Ooh. Looks like he's in the desert or something there. About ready to strike. Let's leave him too. He is quite a remarkable beast. That should be our word of the day. Remarkable. And beast. I'm sorry guys, it's 1:30 in the morning and Lola gets a little delirious, but I'm just so stoked to get into these boxes. All right, let's get into our next box. All right, pull this open. Got Rayquaza. Let's see who we got. Oh, we got a Zapdos. We gotta stop. Let's take a look at this. Code for that. Oh, look at that Zapdos. He looks like he's about to swoop down. Oh boy. Level ball. Raihan, Sonia. I like Sonia. I like her jacket. Professor Research, Tropius. He's soaring through the clouds. Smeargle. He's kind of a derp, but we like him. He's a cute derp. Couple Smeagles. Grossifleur. Few of her. Eldegoss. Few of that. Copycat again. Another evolution. Another Sonia. Bruno. Another Fletchling. He looks very like rawr. Fletchender, Talonflame, and Talonflame. All right, a few different things from the Articuno pack. All right, let's get into Umbreon here. Let's take a look at that Umbreon first. Oh man, almost looks like there's some. Almost looks like, I don't know, is that wood or like camo? Got some cool things there. Umbreon looking like she's ready to strike. Cool evolutions. All right, get into our code here. Oh, just my Lillipup. We'll get to Lillipup in a second. All right, we got a fire energy. All right, Braviary, Nuzleaf, Ice-Cube, Lillipup, Bagon, Litleo, Lotad. Oh, I like the shininess of this in the water. This is really pretty to me. I really like that. I can really appreciate this. Oh, Teddy Ursa. He's just in the flowers, just having fun, playing with the pollens. Scraggy for the reverse. And then we have, oh my Oh my god, look at that. Oh wow, that's really neat. That's an Umbreon on top of the steps with monsters down below peering into the darkness. But wow, that is a pretty card. Let's get that in a sleeve. And we'll place the Umbreon V with the rest of my fellas here. All right, let's keep moving. I really like that Umbreon card. That is a really special Umbreon. She is a very pretty card. Just her being her best self in the moonlight, looking down at the peasants almost. All right, Fire Energy. Ooh, getting a little happy there. Ice Cube. Scroll of the Flying Dragon. Crustle. Timpole. Litleo. Eevee. And Rayquaza in the background. Cutie Fly. Hitmonchan. I do not want to be on the other side of those gloves. That is a very tough spot to be in. Tropius for the reverse, and then, ooh, Salamence for our holographic rare. Look at that. Ooh, I really like that. Let me get a close up there. You can see what's going on. He's spitting out some flames there. That is very pretty. His wings just digging that art. Let's leave that too. These are quite striking. Oh my goodness. I am a fan of this set. This is a good time for Pokemon, guys. But then again, I say that every set. Let's see. Getting into our next pack. And we're busting into a Rayquaza again. Come on, Rayquaza. What you got for me? All right, a Steel Energy. Sure, I'm in focus there. Lantern. Oh, a Spirit Mask. That's very creepy. It's just the mask. But okay, I mean, it's cool. It's cool. I like it, but it is very, very intimidating. Gordy. Hitmonchan again. Gotta catch these hands. Fletchling. Tentacool. Oh, that is a cool Tentacool. Again, I love how they're doing the water in this set. This is really pretty. Pika. C-Dot. Full face guard for our reverse. And then a Sharpedo. Oof. Oof. Again with the water. That's all. Real neat there in my opinion. I really like this. But ooh, look at those Sharpedo. I always find it really annoying when you're in the aisle of armor and sword and you see a Sharpedo in the background following you, and you know you're not gonna use your little bike and outswim it, and you just have to battle it. But that's okay, because that's fun too. All right. Ooh, ah. Let's see what we can get here. We got a Psychic Energy to start. Shopping Center. A Lantern. This one's really pretty too. It's like a night sky, or kind of almost doing a Van Gogh thing there. Very neat. Ursa Ring. Fletchling. Chinchou. Oh goodness, look at him. He's just super cute in the trees there. Alright, Dino. Tentacool. Chinchou again for the reverse. And then a Smeargle. Our derpy Smeargle. But we love him. We love him because he's cool. He's just running around. Having a grand old time. Alright. Let's move on to our last box here. This wrapping off. Let's see who we got. Oh, we got Flaffy. Cool, look at Flaffy. We got 3 different ones, 3 different boxes, and we got 3 different decks here. All right, let's see what we can do. Let's see what changes are in this one. That's a really neat Flaffy, though. The background is super cool. I love the colors in the background. There's some yellows. The sky is orange. That's really neat. Get a close-up of Flappy there. All right. Let's keep Flappy. I really like Flappy. He's special. All right, we got a level ball. Put this aside. Brihon. Oh, look at this. Zinnia's Resolve. That's neat. She looks like she's about to battle hard. Karina's Focus. Another Tropius. Schmeargle. Oop, we got more Schmeargles. Grossifleurs. Eldegoss. Some Stormy Mountains. More Zinnia. Professor's Research. Oh, another Pokekid. Emolga. Oh, look at this. Regieleki. Couple of those guys. Mareep. Few Mareep. Oh, look at this Flappy. Got a couple of these guys. Wow, geez. Very pretty. This is lightning's very cool coming out of Flappy there. All right, I really like those Flappies. I like the colors. You got the pink mixed with the blue sky here with purple on this side. Very cool. All right, let's get into our packs for this box. We'll start off, we'll kick it off with this Umbreon. All right, there we go. Get that out. All right, we got a nice Fighting Energy. Fletchinder. Lantern. Spirit Mask. Oh, Dwebble. How cute is he? I love his little eyes. He's just crawling along the beach having a grand old time. Oh, Drowsy. Ooh, look at Drowsy. I wouldn't want to mess with him. Scraggy. Phoebus. Oh, look at this. For the reverse, we got a Raichu. That's very neat. Very cool. And then the Gorgeist for our rare. Look at that. Very cool. It's like a jack-o'-lantern. Right. Let's move on to our Rayquaza pack. And just to remind you guys, we do still have that case. Yes, case of Evolving Skies coming in the next few weeks. So we're gonna have a lot of fun waiting for you guys. I hope you guys stick around. Hit that subscribe button because we got a lot of fun stuff coming up. And I really don't want anybody to miss it. We got a Hypno Love Disc. It's my first Love Disc. I knew this was gonna be here, but I have not seen it. I haven't pulled it yet. C-Dot, Slack Off, Play Baby, Carvana, Applin for the reverse. Ooh, and then Trevenant V. Awesome. Oh my god, oh, look at his eyes. His eyes are, wow, they really stick out even on the camera. It's like what you see the most is his eyes. Oh my goodness, can you imagine walking through a forest at night and you see a Trevenant in there? Just walk the other way. Because you're about to get beat up. Look at him. Oh man, that's a really neat card. All right, let's get these guys, move these guys aside. All right, here we go. Oh, a Sylveon, very neat. Oh, she just looks like she's on guard, just ready for battle. Code there. Starting off with a Steel Energy, Zweilous, Zinnia's Resolve, a Copycat, Grossifleur, Fletchling, Scrag, Hippo. Oh, Hippo! Look at him. He just looks like boom, 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 as he walks. Tempo, Toy Catcher, Sylveon VMAX, baby. Look at that. She is beautiful. Look at her. Oof. Ooh, I would not want to be on the other side of her either. Look at her. Another remarkable bee. Beautiful colors to this. In the background, you got some like magentas and almost like a teal and blue. And Sylveon, she's got little things there, like she's just ready to go to battle. Oh my goodness, that is quite pretty. She is something special. Set her here. I really like that. She is really special. All these evolutions, these crazy evolutions, full arts and whatnot. This is a beautiful set. Still looking for that Rayquaza, but I'm happy with what we've got here today. You cannot go wrong with some evolutions. All right, we got a water energy coming at us. Floette, Boost Shake, Shelgon, Little Pup. He almost looks like he's saying, stop. Stop. Because I'm Little Pup. Emolga, Tentacool, Pumpkaboo. Back on. For the reverse, we got a Crystal Cave. And then for the rare, we got an Apple Turn. Look at him. We got an Apple Turnover Pie. All right, there we go. Well, that was our 3 boxes, but we got some bonus 9 packs for you. So let's get into them. All right, we'll start with some Rayquaza. Actually, what do we got here? We got 2 Rayquaza. We got 2 Umbreon. We have 3 of my favorite building, and then 2 Sylveons. All right, we'll start with Rayquaza. We'll just go in order here. All right. Let's do this Master Dragon. All right, get that love disc there. Code. Got a Leaf Energy. Oop, getting happy again. Elemental Badge. Herdier. The Spirit Mask. Ooh. Oh, Love Disc. Seedot. Slack Off, just hanging around. He's like Sid the Sloth. All right, Flabébé, Carvana, Lil Pup in the reverse, cool. And then a Stoutland, regular rare. Very cool. He just looks like a war-hardened pup. Right. Busting into another Rayquaza. Code. Right, Psychic Energy, Ribombee, Avalugg, Ribbon Badge, Hitmonchan with his gloves. Slack Off. Aww. Petilil, Pika, Pumpkaboo. Toy Catcher for the reverse, and then a Gigalith. Very cool Gigalith. We got some fun stuff there. All right, getting into Umbreon here. Come on, baby. Let's go, Umbreon, with your beautiful dark soul. Code. Fighting Energy. Boldore. Skip Plume, Fletchinder, Scythe, Rufflet. Oh, look at that Rufflet. Almost looks like there's some cherry blossoms in the background. He's just having a good time. Drowsy, Flabébé, Roggenrola, Gordy, and then a Melodic. Oh, look at that. I really like Melodic. She always looks just so divine. Very classy Pokemon. Let's see. Oh, there's Dwebble. My favorite hermit crab. Hermit crab? Seems like a hermit crab. I think so. Something like that. But he's cute. All right, water. Palpitoad. Golduck. Love that duck. Bushake, Dwebble, Mareep, Drowsy, Scrags, Phoebus, Lotad. Ooh, very cool reverse. Love it. It makes the reverse makes the water even more shiny. And then, ooh, an Espeon B Max. Wow, look at how many we got here. We got a Leafeon, we got an Umbreon, we getting all kinds of evolutions. These guys are quite fetching. Another word of the day, fetching. Look at this, look at this. Beautiful Espeon, beautiful colors in the background. It's one of those rainbow gusts of energy. Lovely. And Umbreon's just ready to go. We love it. With all my evolutions here, my Entei, Salamence, Treven there. Oh, let me clean up my area. Out there. Fire Energy, some Switching Cups, Elemental Badge, another Shell Gun, Drowsy, Flabébé, ooh, Swablu. That's one we haven't pulled so far. Look at that. I love just sitting in the branches. I like the colors in this one. You got some reds, pinks, yellows. Matches Swablu, Litleo, Chinchou, Seismitoad. Look at him. He's just running in for it, just going in hard. All right. Ooh, a Rayquaza B. Look at that, baby. Ooh, that is beautiful. Oh, look at this Rayquaza. That is quite. Wow. Just wow. He's like all lined, and you can see it when you see. Oh. Very, very pretty. Let's keep him around. Gee willikers, Batman. Just getting all kinds of beautiful stuff. Oh my goodness. I'm so amped for this. I'm exhausted, but I'm so amped for these cards. I love this. Alright, I hope it's not a mistake for me to film at night, but I just wanted to do it so bad. Fire Energy, Hypno, Fletchinder, Lantern, Seedot, Lapup, Bagon, Litleo, Lotad, Nickit for the reverse, and then Shiftry for our rare. Very neat, very neat. He looks like he's plummeting, but he knows what he's doing. All right. Duraludon, my favorite building. What you got for your last pack? What you got for me? Ah! As I lose my cards. Do. Get my doos in there. Do. Dark Energy. Some rubber gloves. Fluette. Bushake. Chinchou. Pet Lil. Dino. Another Teddiursa. I really like this Teddiursa. This is one of my favorite cards so far. Phoebus. Pyroar. And then, ooh, a Noivern V. Look at that. Very cool. Love the colors of his wings. There's some green in there, some blue. He's flying around, looking like he's looking for trouble. Very neat, very neat. Set him with the rest of our pals there. I have to say, we're feeling the love from this set so far. We got all these fun packs. All right, let's get into Sylveon's first pack. Right, oh, there's one we have not gotten yet. Let's get our code. Make sure I'm still in focus there. Steel Energy, Shelgon, Lombre. Oh, why does he look so sad? Somebody make him smile. Full face guard. Hoppip. Hitmonchan again. I like this Hitmonchan. Fletchling. Tentacool. Pekka. Drowsy. And then an Entei holographic again. Oh, I ran out of sleeves, but that's okay because we like sleeveless stuff that's fun. But let's just put him with the other Entei. Very neat. I really like that Entei. All right, last pack, last pack. Oh, let's see what we can muster up. Here's our code. All right, one to go. Let's get that good juju. We got a lightning energy, good start, Swoobat, Lombre, sad Lombre, Scrafty. Look at Scrafty. He looks like he's ready to just, yeah. Dino, Pumpkaboo, Carvana, Grossifleur, Fletchling. Oh, Rufflet. Look at my Rufflet for the reverse. And then a Slacking. Oh, holographic. Very neat. Very neat. He looks like he is, about to. He looks like he was down, like he got in a fight, and he was down, and then he was just coming back strong. Let's get him in a sleeve. Ooh, look at that face. You know he's gonna win whatever battle he's in. We'll put him with the rest. Again, alternate art, Leafeon VMAX, and full art, estimated value $100, Rayquaza. And this is an alternate art, Umbreon V. Subscribe for more Pokemon.